Simple cars did not disappear naturally. They were engineered out of our lives after 2010. What looked like progress at first was also the quiet death of repairable, honest machines. For decades, cars were mechanical objects you could understand by sound, feel, and smell. Then software entered the cabin, and driving slowly became a conversation with hidden code. Safety laws improved survival rates, but they also added sensors, modules, and costly layers. Emissions rules pushed engines toward turbos, direct injection, and tightly managed systems. Each upgrade solved a problem on paper, while making the machine harder to know in real life. Dashboards changed from simple gauges to glowing screens designed to do far more than drive. Drivers gained convenience, but many lost the direct tactile feeling that made cars personal. Repair shops changed too, because diagnosis no longer began with tools, but with software scans. Even small failures started triggering expensive replacements instead of simple garage fixes. Car makers were not only chasing regulation, they were chasing profit, data, and ecosystem lock-in. That is why many modern cars feel polished on the surface, but strangely distant underneath. Buyers were told they wanted more features, more comfort, and more digital control everywhere. Yet many owners discovered that more technology often meant less freedom once problems arrived. A broken sensor could now disable confidence, performance, or even basic trust in the vehicle. Older cars demanded attention, but they usually explained themselves in ways humans understood. Newer cars often hide their problems behind sealed parts, warning lights, and dealer dependency. It's changed how people relate to ownership, because control quietly moved away from the driver. Even design shifted as unique body styles gave way to similar crossovers shaped by the market. Somewhere in that transition, driving stopped feeling mechanical and started feeling managed. The real loss was not simplicity alone, it was clarity, intimacy, and mechanical confidence. So when people miss old cars, they may really be missing the last machines that felt human. Subscribe and don't miss the next video.